This is my roadmap for success in Forex trading. If I had to learn Forex trading again, this is how I would start. Welcome to my YouTube channel. You can call me the Edge Runner. I've been trading Forex for over 6 years and have gone through many highs and lows in that time. It took a long time to find what works for me, and I know exactly how it feels to not know where to start. So, if I could go back in time to meet my younger self, I would give myself the following advice. Don't waste your time with useless indicators. I have spent so much time searching for an indicator that would magically predict the right direction, tested dozens of trading templates from the internet, and ultimately had to realize that it was just a waste of time. There is no magic formula for predicting market movements. There are no shortcuts. You must have the willingness to put in the time and effort to develop a deeper understanding of market dynamics and price action. Begin studying daily highs and lows and observe how the price behaves in those areas. This is likely the most crucial aspect, and everything else is built on it. You can use the H1 chart for a broad overview, or the M15 chart for more specific details. Examine carefully what the price is doing as it approaches the previous daily highs and lows, as well as what it does when it surpasses them. Pay attention to all the specifics. Dedicate yourself to this for 6 months straight, and you will begin to see results. When it comes to trading, it's essential not to become too fixated on specific time frames. Instead, it's important to view each time frame as a single piece of a larger picture. By taking this approach, you can ensure that you are keeping the big picture in mind and not getting bogged down by the minutiae of short-term market fluctuations. Furthermore, it's crucial to constantly keep an eye on the big picture by examining correlations between different aspects of the market. For example, understanding the relationship between the dollar index and all USD-based currency pairs can be incredibly helpful in making more informed trading decisions. By looking at these correlations, you can get a better sense of the broader market trends and how they may impact your specific trades. Overall, taking a holistic, big-picture approach to trading can help you make more informed decisions and achieve better outcomes over the long run. To become a successful trader, it's important to think outside the box and approach trading like a hunter, not prey. This means being proactive, looking for liquidity areas where the masses could have set their limit orders, and taking a strategic approach to use it for your advantage. One way to do this is by testing different money management strategies. This can involve experimenting with partial entering techniques to go with the flow. There is a famous quote by Bruce Lee that applies very well to trading: "Be like water." What he meant by this is that water is adaptable and can change its shape to fit any container or circumstance. In the same way, traders need to be adaptable and willing to adjust their approach based on changing market conditions. It's also important to stay up to date with market news and events, as well as to constantly monitor and analyze your trading performance. This can involve keeping a trading journal or utilizing analytical tools to track your progress over time. It's much easier when you have someone to learn from who can guide you through the process. A good mentor can save you time and effort by sharing their knowledge and experience. However, it must be said that no matter how good your mentor is, you still have to put in the effort to do the dirty work yourself. There's no shortcut to understanding the market, and it takes time and dedication to develop the necessary skills. A mentor can provide valuable feedback and help you avoid common mistakes, but you must still take responsibility for your own learning and practice. This means analyzing market data and refining your skills over time. Ultimately, the only way to succeed in trading is to put in the hard work and build your knowledge and experience through consistent effort. You won't become a doctor overnight, and you have to earn everything good in life. I myself have spent already more than 10,000 hours in the charts. Also, it's a crucial point to always learn trading first in demo mode, without any financial stress. This way, you won't lose unnecessary money and can fully focus on the learning process. Trading with virtual funds will give you the opportunity to practice and test your trading strategies in a risk-free environment. You can get a feel for the markets, Learn how to analyze price movements and fine-tune your approach before putting any real money on the line. It's essential to take the time to develop your skills in this way before committing any funds to live trading. Save the money you would have spent on live trading for later, for example, to fund a larger trading account once you're ready to start trading with real money. This way, you can start with a solid foundation and improve your chances of success in the long run. With these final words, we come to the end of the video. It's been a pleasure sharing this knowledge with you. I hope you found it both informative and engaging. Keep an eye out for my next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe as we continue our quest to uncover the edge in the exciting world of trading.
Won't be forgiven. You now forsake the force you sought out. There's no escape.